Hello friends, it is Andrea and today we're going to be doing the Erin Condren unboxing. I haven't done one of these in like 100 years as far as it being like the new planners, but I did order planners for next year, so I wanted to go ahead and show you what I picked up. I have not opened this box yet, so let's go ahead and plop her on out. I did order two different planners and I'm really excited about both of these covers, and then there was some freebie things that came with for ordering during the launch, so we'll go over those first. The first thing here is a little sample freebie pack. So there is a pen, which is really nice. Like, okay, like we got a whole pen. I think that this is just like the cover page. Yeah, we can go ahead and swatch this. So we got like a thicker line on the one side, and the other side is a little bit more of a fine line. I definitely will use this. And then over here I do have a postcard, another postcard, and then like a little information coupon type thing. They also sent over in all of, I think it was over, or was it all launch orders or $50 or more, you got a sampler pack, which I think is a great way to get out some of the different layout designs without having to either go to the store or buy them outright. So this is just a sampling of the different layouts, and also nice because you can try out your stickers or even just like a week's planning in it to see how you like it, which that is super fun. I like this layout. I think this is like new for this year possibly. And it's nice how they coordinated it. So that one's like the kind of like baby poop color hexagon dashboard. You have this one here, and then like the daily duo kind of thing. You got a lot of those, like a whole week of it. Yeah, just a lot of different spreads. They've come out with a lot now. I feel like back in the day there was like the two and that was it. Okay. So we have that, and then I did get two planners. I loved both of these covers. The print quality is so much better than my last cover. I don't know what was wrong with that one, but I did get like the disco ball cover, and it was like super pixelated. So I'm excited that these actually look like nice print quality. This one I did get customized. This one I didn't love like the customization, so I just left it. But this one just says Andrea here. And then I did get the like colorful coil. I do miss the black coil, and this is the rose gold coil, and they both have the stencil on top, which I'm gonna be honest with you, I probably will throw away or give to my kids to play with. So the first thing is just what I always, well not always, but what I got last year, and that is the like minimal colorway vibes, vertical, normal, classic. I don't know what this is actually even called. I think it's just the vertical, right? Just plain, no color in it really. I like the font that they chose. It's very, very cute, very modern, very fresh. I just kept this simple and basic. I will say, I think with using stickers, I might need to, and I used to do 6 months in a planner and then switch it, but I love this cover. I think it is so cute, very trendy, and again, the print quality is very nice. And then I did get this one to try out. Oh, is there like a sample pack in the back? No. Oh, maybe that's what was in the back, was the other thing. So you got some stickers too. So those, because there's something in here. Oh yeah, okay, so for every planner you got one, which is nice. That's pretty cool. So then this one, you have this cover, which I thought was so fun, so cute. And I just haven't, like, besides, I think for one whole year, I used like the like smaller Hobonichi-esque size where it had like the week on one side and then like a grid. And I liked that, but that was probably the longest I ever used like a planning out my week kind of planner, and I've been using like the vertical like that as well, but I wanted to try this one out. So we do have the month, and then we're gonna move into July, and I did get the hourly to try out. I don't even really know how wide these columns are, like if I wanted to use stickers in them. They're a little bit bigger. They're similar, I think, then to the monthly box size. But I wanted to try this out and see how this works, and I've never, I might have gotten an hourly in the past, but I don't really remember what it looks like. But this is just like a nice, really clean layout. So you have your weeks, then you go into your month, and then you go right back on into your weeks. I thought this would be interesting to try out. I don't know if I'll use stickers in it or if I'll just like color code. Maybe I'll use like just some deco stickers. We'll see. But this one does start in July, whereas the other one does start in January. So I probably will start using this one sooner than later, of course. And it even has May in it, which is nice because I can use the monthly if I want to, but this officially starts on June 30th. So I'm interested to see how I like this one and see how it goes. Like I said, I haven't really used much of it. Maybe I'll just even, you know, use pen for the first week. But I also do have this sampler now too. It'd be cool if they offered this like for sale and you could just buy some different ones to try out. Because I don't think that this is normally offered, but I could just use one of these to kind of like lay out like a fake week and see how I would like to plan it, which is nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, and then there's the blank one too, so there's like a different colorway, so I could even do it twice realistically. So love the sampler pack. I think that's really cool, and I also think it's fun that it comes with the pen and the postcards. So I definitely will use the postcards in my bullet journal. So that's just a quick little video. I'm actually filming this on the day that I'm going to upload it, hopefully, but that's just what I picked up from Erin Condren. I will leave my referral link down below, but they have a lot of different styles nowadays in a different color of spine, customizable covers. Again, really happy that these covers are not blurry because like I said, the last one was, and I emailed them, they sent me a whole new planner, which was wild. And then that one also came blurry and I was like, I just give up. So that's everything. I hope you like this video, this quick little video, and I will talk to you in my next one.